Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you're all fine at your home. Enjoy the winter season. Okay students, let's start our work with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today the date is 15th December 2020. What date is today? 15th December 2020. And the day is Tuesday. Mangal. What day is today? Tuesday. आज कौन सा दिन है? मंगल. Let's start our work. Okay students, we will do two works today. The first work is English. Take out your English notebook. At this page, write A to M. Today we will write A to M capital letters. मामा की मदद से हम यहाँ डेट राइट करवा लें. This is your class work and homework. एक ही पेज आपने करना है, ठीक है? Okay, look at the board. Now start writing. A. B. Capital letters are named in upper three lines. 1, 2, 3. जो कैपिटल लेटर सारे जो होते हैं ना ऊपर वाली 3 लाइनों में रहते हैं, नीचे वाली लाइन में नहीं जाते. C, K, D, D. E, F के क्या साउंड है? G, G की फॉर्मेशन गौर से देखें, ऊपर और इधर छोटी सी लाइन. G, H, I, E, J, K, L, M, Let's start reading their sounds. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, E, J, K, L, M. Okay students, let's read with me and words. पहले हमने की है ना add words. Today we will do and words. And जो है ना सबके साथ शेक हैंड करेगा, सब लेटर्स के साथ. B and ban, K and can, D and dan, and fan, G and gan, H and han, J and jan, K and can, L and lan, and man, N and nan, P and pan, K and can, R and ran, S and san, T and tan, V and van, W and van, Y and Jan, Z and Zan. Okay student, these are and words. These are and words. आपने अच्छी सी रीडिंग करनी है इनकी. Okay? Okay students, it's your reading time. Take out your 1B book. Open this page 26. Now first of all look at the picture. Here is Jane's shop. What you can see in this picture? There are many toys here in this picture. This is Jane's shop. And look at your reading page. Jane has a shop. Jane has a shop. Jane has a shop. Who has a shop? Jane. Jane has a shop. Who has a shop? Jane has a shop. Jane has a shop. Look at the board. Jane has a shop. Jane has a shop. Jane has a shop. Okay, student, I hope you have understood your lesson. Allah Hafiz.